kids, how are you? I hope आप सब लोग ठीक है अपने घर पे. So देख रहे हो आप कितना मेस्ड अप हो रखा है. I'm so sorry. मैम ज़रा इसको ना रख के आते हैं, एक सेकेंड. उफ, ये तो नहीं उठ रहा मैम से. उफ, मैम के तो हैंड में दर्द हो गया. चलो कोई बात नहीं, मैम इस पेपर को रख के आ जाते हैं. अरे ये तो बहुत ही हल्का सा है. और ये क्यों नहीं उठ रहा? ये उठ गया, ऐसा क्यों? ओ मैम तो भूल ही गए ये रखना. इसको किचन में रख के आते हैं मैम ज़रा, ठीक है? ये तो नहीं उठ पाएगा. चलो मैम इस पीकॉक फेदर को ही रखाते हैं. हाँ, इतना लाइट, इतना हल्का कैसे है ये? और ये इतना, ये तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं उठ पाएगा. लेकिन ये उठ रहा है कैसे? आपने देखा, मैम से कुछ चीज़ें उठ ही नहीं पा रही थी. जो बहुत सारी थी वो उठ ही नहीं रही थी. बहुत भारी भारी चीज़ें थी वो उठ नहीं रही थी. लेकिन जो हल्की हल्की चीज़ें थी वो मैम इजीली उठा रही थी. और वो कैसे? आपको पता है, मैम बताएंगे इसके बारे में. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अ न्यू concept of heavy and light. The light is when anything weighs lighter. And what is heavy? The thing which is heavy in weight, which is जो भारी होती है वो heavy होती है, और जो सबसे हल्की होती है वो light होती है. How do we do measure what is light and what is heavy? So today ma'am has made a balance scale for you to measure what is light and what is heavy. So let's start and we'll measure what is light. So for that I have one lock and a key. Now we are going to see which is light and which is heavy. I'm going to keep one key and in the other I'm going to keep the lock. Did you see? The lock weight heavy, so that's how it goes down, and the key, it weighs light, so the lighter one goes up and the heavier one goes down. Now tell me, which is heavy and which is light? A book or a newspaper? I think a book is much heavier than this paper, because the newspaper is thin and this book is quite thick. It has many pages and it weighs heavy. One is empty and one is full of buttons. So now I'm going to put it and let's see what happens. The container which has more buttons in it weighs heavy and the container which is empty weighs lighter. जब चीज़ें ज़्यादा भी हो जाती हैं तो भी वो heavy हो जाता है, और जब चीज़ें उसमें थोड़ी सी कम होती हैं तो वो light हो जाता है और वो अपने आप ऊपर उठ जाता है. And kids, do you know, apart from balance scale, there is another way to weigh heavy and light. That is, in water, when we throw a heavy thing, it sinks and the light things floats. Now, ma'am is going to show you an experiment of light and heavy. Now, I have a stone and a leaf, and I am going to dip both of them into the water, and let's see who will float and which thing will float and which thing will sink. Let's see which is heavy and which is light. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens with the leaf. See, leaf is still floating into the water. पर है leaf, क्यों उसने sink क्यों नहीं किया? Because it is light in weight, whereas the stone is heavy in weight. Now Next example I'm going to show you is of a coin and a tissue paper. Now let's see what happens with the coin and with the tissue paper. I think coin is going to float and tissue paper is going to sink. मैम सही बोल रहे हैं, चलो देखते हैं. तो फ्लोट नहीं हुआ, वो तो सिंक हो गया. And let's see what happens with the tissue paper. It actually floats. Why so? Because the tissue paper, weight of tissue paper was very light, and weight of 5 rupee coin or a coin was a bit heavy. So I hope you all have understood the concept of heavy and light. You can also look around and see what is heavy and what is light, and you can discuss it with your parents. So I hope you enjoyed the activity and the experiment both. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.